Chuck look good. Real man. Chuck look nice, man. I like it.
Yeah, man.
Start paint from up on Merle Grove, John Robin, Boulevard.
But daddy,
and you know we have to walk down. Alright?
but daddy,
What your problem? You want paint? More paint? And don't forget Mullines Road.
Wade in the water, wade in the water.
Son,
Yes, daddy.
you don't do it already?
Yes, daddy. We do everything already.
Everything.
Yes, daddy.
Everything do you know.
Yes, daddy.
Shoes, clean, no smell and left.
Yes,
We
daddy.
make sure you know.
Yes,
Yeah, I
daddy.
don't even want to smell them when I go around there, you know.
No, daddy.
And you see all the old water boot, make sure it clean out good, you know.
Yes, daddy.
The ear brush, you take out all that ear.
Yes, daddy.
Even the ear,
Yes, daddy. Which ear you talk about, daddy?
the one where you breathe, boy.
Daddy, but how me fi clean?
What you mean? You go sick.
Yes, daddy.
A labor day today.
Alright, daddy. Me tired,
Alright, how will
daddy.
I see it, my boy? Get up, man.
But I use some first now, daddy.
That's when labor day done.
Me tired,
You
daddy.
tired, labor day not done yet. You done everything in the yard,
Yes,
right?
daddy.
Good. Uncle Joe have some things down there for you do.
Daddy, but Uncle Joe, you are dirty.
That's why labor day you go help him.
Me can't find that.
No bother with the work, man. Labor for learning, boy, before you grow old.
Wade in the water, wade in the water, children.
Ninja.
Done soon already, you know. Nothing, no, all turkey time I wash out.
Me not.
Wade